Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and this video we will be talking about how to convert media files. So the program that I'm going to be using here is the Curlew Media Converter. It's basically a front end for FFmpeg, but it's pretty easy to use, and if you check the link down below, you can install it. And once you've got it installed, just open it up and we'll start with the audio files. So to convert an audio file, you can just drag one in there like I just did there, and then you click the bottom button here, search for your format, and I'm going to go with, let's see, I don't know what I want. There's a lot of different formats to choose from, so let's do M4A. So after I've chosen my format, I can click choose. That's weird to say, but click the convert button. And, you know, in this particular case, because I built the program from source, it throws up an error. This is happening to me because I didn't install this. But if you install it from like Ubuntu, the software sources or other mainstream sources, shouldn't happen. But if that's the case, I guess I could just go through and find a different format. Let's do OGG Theora, and you can just sort through and you can find a bunch of different formats, and then just click the convert button, and that will go. And we have an OGV file here, and that is my audio file converted. I can do the same thing for video files. So if I drag this MP4 here that I have, and I want to convert it to, let's see, AVI, I can click choose and then just convert. And it'll take a little bit longer because video files are bigger than audio files, obviously, but it's pretty quick, and you can see it in the progress bar here. And just gotta wait, and the output should be in the same folder as, you know, the original file. So you can just go to the same folder and you can delete the source file and be done with the source file if you don't want it anymore, and then you have the converted file. So I know this is pretty quick, but this is pretty straightforward. It's basically you drag your media file in there, you go through, find your format, whatever format that may be, select it, and then just click the convert button. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I got to get going, but check the links below as usual, and